Hello everyone, welcome to my transcription training video on Mab Media Platform. So basically this is a Google Sheet. Before go to the workplace, let me show you this sheet and let me explain this, because each and every member have to maintain their own sheet. This sheet belongs to Zunko, you can see this, and the JPU number is 149. So each and every member will get their own sheet, and on the sheet they have to work on. So let me explain all of those things. So basically on this sheet there is some information in here, like username. You can see that the first thing is a username and the password. So username and password will be help you for logging in the platform. After that, media name. You can see there is a media name. So what was those media names means? Those are the file number. This is the file name, this is the file name. Okay, each and every file you have to work on, because whenever you log in the platform using those account and password, you will find a random file on the platform, but you don't have to work on those random file, because if you work on those random file, that will be not counted as yours. Because on your sheet we will provide some files in here, and obviously you have to work on those files only. Okay, whenever you are finished the files which is already in your sheet, we will give more file in your sheet, but you don't have to work on random files, so that will be not counted. So basically in here you can see there is a two files which name is almost same, number is almost same, but the ch number is different. Like this one is ch1, this one is ch2. So basically each and every audio, because both two, the like ch1 and ch2 means one audio, both all of those audio are call recording. So for that a company just do one thing, call record, the separate the recording into channel, like ch1 channel, ch2 channel. So each channel contain only one person, like ch1 have mine voice and ch2 have the person voice who is in my phone call. Okay, because as I said, those are call recording. So if you complete those two, ch1 and ch2, that will be marked as a 13-minute duration you have transcribed. And how can you, after that, let me explain you something more. Whenever you done your files, like this one you have already completed, this one you already completed, then get back to this sheet and click on this file done box, like file done, file done. Okay, then we will understand this person have finished those file transcription. And after that, whenever then move to the second file, like this one, just work on those file. And how can you work, how you will work, I will show you. But for this sheet I'm showing you that after work done, what you have to do. After whenever you transcription will done, you have to get back in this sheet and again click on this place, like file done box. And whenever your last file appears, like this one is the last file, after that you can see there is no file in your sheet. So for that, what you have to do, you have to complete at first these two. Okay, like ch1 is complete and ch2 also complete, like this one. Okay, but you see there is no more file. So what do you have to do now? So on those time, like whenever you finished your last file, click on this green box. Okay, click on this green box, because each and every sheet connected to our mother sheet, so that each and every sheet will be showed that in our mother sheet that this person have done those file and this person have need file. So whenever you click on here, like this one, so that we will understand by our sheet that this person needs more file for transcription. So that we will come to your sheet and see, okay, the person have done their last file, then this person need more file for transcription. That's why he click on this box, because he asking more file, that please give me more file so that we can start. So whenever our technician come, he will put some more file number in here which you can work more. Okay, but remember that please don't click on this place when you have filed for transcription. Okay, like this one is not done, this one is not done. If you click on here, that will be a wrong thing for you, that is prohibited. So please don't do that. Whenever your last file is done like this one, on that time you can click on this place, but not before that. Okay, like right now I have filed for transcription, so I will be not click on this place. So whenever my last file is done, I need file for transcription more, then click on this place, but not before that. And after that I will show you something more, that you can find more some filler words in here. Okay, which filler word you will be using in your transcription. And one more thing, there is link to workbench. Whenever you take your pointer in here, you will see there is a link. Whenever you click in here, the website will appear on which website you are working, like Mab Media. Then after that you have to just start your login and start your work, and I will show you that how you have to log in.